Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. The topic for today is question words. We have already discussed the ways of asking question in one of our videos. If you haven't watched that video, I'll share the link in the description box. So in that video, we have discussed there are many ways, and one of the ways is question words. And also, this is the first part of the video in which we are going to discuss these question words. Remaining, we will discuss in the next video. So let's start. First one, qui. Qui means who. Qui, who. Où. Où means where. Où, where. Don't confuse it with où without any accent, which means or, right? This is où with accent, which means where. Quand. Quand is for when. It's not quand, it's quand. Quand is for when. Pourquoi. Why. Pourquoi. Comment. This is not comment. Comment. How. Comment. How. Let's repeat once more. Qui. Où. Quand. Pourquoi. And comment. Right? Let's discuss these question words with the help of examples. Qui est cette personne? Qui est cette personne? Who is that person? Right? Person is feminine word, that's why cette. Qui est cette personne? Who is that person? So, this is a question word here. Qui va à la fête ce soir? Qui va? Va is a verb which is aller. Who is going to the party this evening? Qui va à la fête ce soir? Qui va à la fête ce soir? Correct? Qui a gagné ce match? This is a past tense. Qui a gagné? Gagné means to win. Who won this match? Or who won that match? Qui a gagné ce match? This is PP, past participle of gagné. Qui a gagné ce match? Avec qui, we can also use it with this. Avec qui es-tu allé au cinéma? This is also past tense. Avec qui es-tu allé au cinéma? Avec qui? With whom? With whom you went to cinema? With whom you went to cinema? Avec qui es-tu allé au cinéma? Right? Qui is clear? Okay. Second one is où. Où est la tour Eiffel? Où est la tour Eiffel? Where is Eiffel Tower? Où est la tour Eiffel? Where is Eiffel Tower? Tour is tower. Où est la gare la plus proche? Gare is railway station. Proche is near. Where is the nearest railway station? Où est la gare la plus proche? Où est la gare la plus proche? Où as-tu rencontré ton ami? Rencontre is to meet, and this is a past tense here. Rencontre. Où as-tu rencontré ton ami? Où as-tu rencontré ton ami? Where did you meet your friend? Where did you meet your friend? Correct? Où vas-tu en vacances cet été? Où vas-tu? Allez hop. Où vas-tu en vacances cet été? Where are you going on vacation this summer? Where are you going on vacation this summer? Été is summer. Correct? Où vas-tu en vacances cet été? Correct? I hope Qui and ou are clear? Let's discuss the third question word, which is quand. Quand est la film? When is the film? Quand est la film? And you can answer, la film est à 8h, 8 o'clock, à 9h, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, as you wish, right? Quand est la film? Quand tu pars en vacances? Parti, to leave. When are you leaving on vacation? Quand tu pars en vacances? Quand tu pars en vacances? When? Quand est ton cours français? Cours, class. When is your French class? Quand est ton cours français? Right? Quand est ton cours français? Next example. Quand est ton anniversaire? Anniversaire means birthday. When is your birthday? Quand est ton anniversaire? Right? We'll say it, ton anniversaire. Quand est ton anniversaire? When is your birthday? Correct? Let's move to pourquoi. Why? Pourquoi tu aimes peindre? Peindre is to paint or painting. Aim, to like. Why do you like painting? Why do you like painting? Pourquoi tu aimes peindre? Next, this pourquoi. Pourquoi n'as-tu pas fini tes devoirs? Devoir is homework. This is past tense. Pourquoi n'as-tu pas fini tes devoirs? Why you haven't finished your homework? Pourquoi n'as-tu pas fini tes devoirs? Right? Pourquoi as-tu choisi cette université? Pourquoi? Why? This is also past tense. Choisi is the PP of choisir, to choose. Université, university. Why you have chosen this university? Pourquoi as-tu choisi cette université? Correct? Next example. Pourquoi tu étudies le français? Étudier. Étudier, right? To study. Why you study French? Pourquoi tu étudies le français? I hope quand and pourquoi are also clear. Okay, let's discuss the last question word, which is comment. How? Comment fais-tu un gâteau? Gâteau is cake. How do you faire, to make or to do? How do you make a cake? Comment fais-tu un gâteau? Comment fais-tu un gâteau? Right? Next, comment tu te sens aujourd'hui? Sens, to feel, sentir. How do you feel today? Comment tu te sens aujourd'hui? Comment tu te sens aujourd'hui? How do you feel today? Next example. Comment prépares-tu ton café? Préparer. Right? To prepare. How do you make your coffee? Or how do you prepare your coffee? Comment prépares-tu ton café? Comment prépares-tu ton café? How do you prepare your coffee? Correct? Next one. Comment faites-vous du vélo? Faites. This is the vous form. This is the tu form. Right? Comment faites-vous du vélo? How do you ride your bike? Vélo is bike. How do you ride your bike? Comment faites-vous du vélo? I hope comment is also clear. Right. If you like this video, please like and subscribe French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.